Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert image to Excel and also a screenshot to Excel. This is very useful when you have some information or data um, in, in a picture or an image or sometimes with a screenshot. So and this would be very helpful. Let's say you have some data or table in an image and you want to do some analysis for those numbers or information, and just you can transfer them from your image to Excel quickly. Let's start with image. This is an image or a picture that I took from Yahoo Finance with Amazon market price and a monthly market price in 2023. So I want to transfer this data into Excel. So to do that, um, in an empty tab, you go through data, and then from there, from picture drop down, you choose picture from file. When you go there, Excel is asking you where's your file located. So you just simply pick this picture, and Excel start analyzing your data or an image. So when it's done, it is showing here in the bottom of this section, and you can say, okay, I'm good with that, and insert the data. And as you see here, everything is properly transferred. These are the price, and this is the volume. Um, Everything is ready for you, and you can easily use them with peace of mind. So this was one example. Let's do this. Let's try and see how Excel is smart and see if any number are, let's say, I don't know, wrong, or um, let's say any typo in your data in the image. I'm going to try to convert another picture into Excel, and then for that I do have a table. I'm going to choose the same path, go to picture from file. I do have another picture which is from a sale. So again, picture start analyzing your data, and I didn't I did intentionally like uh, input a number which is not properly typed. And as you see here, Excel's revises your number, and it just marked as another color, and it tells you that this number looks weird. So when you go there and you see that, oh yes, I do have two decimal, which is not right. So you can, and I know that this number should be 4,444 instead of like two point here. And then when you are okay with the number, except you see that now it's the correct number. And also when you are going to finalize and insert the data into Excel, you have the flexibility to to change any of these names. Let's say I'm going to have this as agent name, or if there is any typo or spelling, or if you want to even change them, you can simply do that. And when it's done, you're okay with all of your number. Now you can tell, okay, I'm good with this data, and voila, you have everything ready here. You're safe, and you're free to use them. Peace of mind. So this was for picture. One quick note about picture: just make sure the better the quality of the picture that you have, um, the more accurate finalize input in your Excel you are going to get. Because if the picture and image is not properly taken and also is not clear, Excel wouldn't be able to distinguish even between different columns or cells. Sometimes it makes like inaccurate data that you're getting. So the quality of picture is very important. Now let's see how we can import and convert a screenshot into Excel. This is also very simple. So let's say I'm in Yahoo Finance and I want to take a screenshot of S&P 500 um, price for the past couple of days. So I'm here in Yahoo Finance, S&P 500 historical price. So to take a screenshot, just hold Windows, Shift, and S, and you can simply take a screenshot of the first couple of rows. And by default, your screenshot goes and saved to clipboard. To convert this to Excel, again, go to data, and then the same from picture. This time, choose the second one, picture from clipboard. When you click here, uh, Excel again starts analyzing your data, and you have everything here. You can review all of these numbers, all headers, or even if there's any column for date or something. If you're okay with all of these data, you just simply say insert data, and here you go. As you see here, your date has a proper format. All of your numbers, and you see here your volume, everything is properly transferred to Excel. This would be a very time saving and helpful method if you are using um, like I don't know, image or screenshot on a daily basis, and you want to transfer them into Excel for your analysis. This is very helpful for you. Hope you liked this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, and make sure to add any comment that you have in the comment section of this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I would appreciate if you hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one, and